Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now once we decide that we have to learn something online, there are a lot of options available. Now the problem is, since there are so many options, most of the time we get confused which one to choose. Which is the right course for us? Okay, if we are investing money as well as time in something, then we are expecting the result, right? And if you don't get the desired outcome from that course, then what is the point of wasting your time and money on that course? That is the biggest concern at this moment, to find the right course. So through this video, I am trying to solve one of such problem. The problem is, which is the best course for digital marketing, and best in the sense that it would actually give you your desired outcomes. So if you are interested in that, do keep watching this video till the end. Now, who all should learn digital marketing? Is it just limited to people who are actually looking for a job and want to start their career? So in my opinion, it is just not limited to doing job in an agency. You can start your freelancing career as well. If you want to become a freelancer, you can learn digital marketing and help other businesses to grow online, to make their presence. Now, apart from this, if you want to sell products online, so it can be digital products or physical products, and you want your reach to expand to, maybe throughout India or throughout your city. And lastly, if you don't want to sell anything, but you want people to know about you, to know about your profession, to know about your expertise, you can also showcase them using digital marketing. Now, let me tell you my story. What made me learn digital marketing? Now, as you are aware that I have been making videos on YouTube for almost a year now, and recently I reached 1000 subscribers. Now, I have to take this as a business, and for that, to grow my business online, I need digital marketing. Using digital marketing, I want to help you guys achieve your goal, that is to become the alpha employee in your company. Now, once I decided that I want to learn digital marketing, I first went to the free content on YouTube. And the problem with that was, it was very basic content. They didn't actually tell me how to start it. So I got to know a little bit about each platforms that I used in digital marketing, but it was not in depth. So I actually had wasted 3 to 4 months in just learning free content. Then I finally decided that I would go on Udemy and take a paid course. Now the paid course was good. It gave me somewhat more knowledge about all those tools. But the problem was, it was not practical at all. It was completely theoretical. So, how to start, where to start from, that was still not clear in my mind. Now, once that course finished, I tried to implement it by myself. But after some days, I gave up because I was getting stuck at every point and there was no one to actually guide me. Then I understood that what I actually need is a step-by-step procedure. Someone who can tell me that this is the first step that you need to do, Mubin. Now this is the second step. Now do this. I needed something like that, because when we are starting as a fresher in any field, we need some more guidance, some more support. So after doing some more research on digital marketing courses, I came across Alpha Marketer Academy. So this Alpha Marketer Academy has one particular course, that is 21 days digital marketing Kickstarter challenge. It is more of a challenge than a course. So basically what they do is they teach you digital marketing and then they give you practical tasks that you need to implement. Now more on that in a while. So after finding this course, I somewhat researched about it and saw some of the testimonials of students who have taken this course, and I find it convincing. What actually I was looking for, they were doing that. They were giving practical tasks. So without wasting any more time, I simply got enrolled into it. So then I joined the course. Now the first thing was, I didn't know much about marketing. Although I knew that what is digital marketing and which all tools are used for marketing digitally, but what is the core marketing? How actually marketing works, which all things a marketer uses to sell their products. I got to know everything about that. So I learned the basic core concepts of marketing while in this course. Then the second step was actually deciding on a niche. Now you cannot make random things on internet, right? You have to have a niche. So that too was cleared in this particular course itself, that what is the particular niche, and in fact what is the sub niche, what is the micro niche that needs to be selected. The next thing was how to make a website and what is the importance of website. Now I created my own website and I hosted it, and it is actually live now. It is www.bealphaemployee.com. So I have made it, but it is not completely, it is still under construction. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. You can check it out. Apart from that, I even learned how to write blogs, what is the technique behind it, how to write ebooks, how to make landing pages, and then how to write on Quora, how to do copywriting. I learned everything, and actually I did them practically as well. Now I did all of these things in just 2 weeks. Now if this course was not there, it would simply take me more than 6 months to actually build all of these things. And it happened because it was structured as a challenge. Now once you get a challenge, you have to prove yourself, you have to take action, and you are born to take action in that time. Then I learned about how to do search engine optimization on them, how to create digital products, and then Facebook marketing, Facebook campaigning, Google Analytics, and there are a lot of things that I actually learned during this course. Now honestly speaking, all this was not easy because I was completely new to this and I was making a lot of mistakes, on writing blogs, on creating all these things. There are a lot of mistakes that I did. So what this Alpha Marketer does is it has a community. Okay, it has an online community. So whenever you complete one task, you first post on that community and that is reviewed there. People go and check your activity, what you did, and then they give you feedback right then and there. Okay, so you get a feedback and then you go back and improvise. So that way you actually improvise again and again and get the best out of it. Now once I started with this course, I was assigned a buddy from Alpha Marketer that whenever I had a query, I can simply go back to him and get my issue resolved. And if it is not that case, then every week there used to be a live session, and in that live session as well we can ask questions and get our problem solved. Now when I was enrolling with this course, one question came into my mind that will I be able to complete this challenge in 21 days? Because obviously we know that how busy we are with our other works. But for this, they have a trick. So when you pay your fees, they give you a money back challenge. So they ask you to complete everything within 21 days. And if you complete it then and there, then they will give you the complete money refund. Now, once you have this in mind, so you push yourself, okay, and it was easier after that. I was able to take 1 or 2 hours daily and I completed most of the part on weekends. And then I was able to complete this course in 21 days. Now, if you want to take digital marketing as a career and want to start working as a digital marketer, then by the end of this course, they have specialized section for interview, how to give an interview, what all questions can be asked, how to tackle each question. So even that will be very much helpful to actually do this course and start searching for the job. So my takeaway from this course is right now I have my own portfolio. I have a better understanding of digital marketing, and if I want to do freelancing, I can simply start that as well. And then I have a clear direction of my online journey. So what is my target for next year and what is my target for next 5 years? So I have got everything in place. Now all I have to do is keep working on them. So my final advice here is if you want to learn digital marketing, either to do a job or to do freelancing or to make your online presence, then go for this course. Rather than wandering here and there and looking for the right course for you, just invest in this one and I'm sure that you would appreciate it and you would get your desired results. Now to do that, you just have to go in the description of this video, click on the link, purchase the course and start with your digital marketing career. So guys, if this video was helpful to you, do click on the like button. Share this video to others who are actually looking for digital marketing and subscribe to my channel for similar contents. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.